Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are honoured to have you with us. Here at Blue Sky Graphics, we are a leading online graphic design school led by industry and expert leading tutors delivering one-to-one online classes. We've been teaching for just over 10 years, enhancing creative curiosities and preparing future graphic designers for the real world. Driven by passion and performance, we are purely dedicated to the art of graphic design. Our website and enrolment registration information can be found at blueskygraphics.co.uk. In this short video, we're going to show you how to use the gradient tool. The gradient tool works with the gradient panel. The panel is where the gradient type and colors are specified, and the tool is basically used to adjust the appearance of the gradient. Now, for those that don't know, a gradient is a transition between colors of different values or hues, typically applied to a solid shape or text. So here in this video, we are designing a flower and we're using the very prestigious color gold. Now, gradients are inescapable in the creative world. They're often used in branding, typography, web design elements, logos. They're used to create visual interest all around. It's very easy to create and manipulate using the gradient tool. So here we're inserting black shadows to give a 3D effect. We're making gold color graphics to show the prestigious colors, and we're working on masks. We're working on masks in graphic software. Now, you're able to revamp designs by applying colorful gradients to solid vectors and shapes and typography. So the gradient tool is a creative trend, and it has been for many years because there's always a contemporary spin on the classic gradient. Modern takes range from vivid fluorescent gradients to more subtle monochromatic gradations. No matter the style, they're one of the most popular and useful elements in design. For those that want to be in the know, Adobe is adding a new type of gradient to Illustrator, one which it says will make creating natural looking blends between two colors easier, even contrasting ones. Illustrator's gradient tool currently lets you create two types of gradient, linear and radial, but you can use the gradient mesh tool to build more complex gradients. Adobe acknowledges that this can be somewhat of a learning curve, but here at Blue Sky Graphics, we can teach you more. We teach Adobe Illustrator in our graphic design course. Our graphic design course comprises of Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe InDesign. If you do have any questions, please get in touch with us. Thank you and bye-bye.